This is GMR, or Glendora Mountain Road. It's a fun sort of short ride about an hour east of downtown LA. This is a good, I think, 18 miles up and back climb. It'll be about 2,000 feet of climbing, and we've been getting a ton of rain recently here in Southern California, so it should be really beautiful. This is definitely one of my favorite short, medium, little climbing routes. We're gonna go to a place called the Shack, which is a pretty popular spot to stop. We're gonna just climb up, hang out, have a snack, come back down. Should be fun. So I didn't know this, but we just lucked out, and on occasion, one of the really cool things for cyclists about this route is that they close it to cars, and this just happens to be one of those weekends. It is a holiday weekend, but yeah, the deal here is that they close it to cars, and cyclists and pedestrians and equestrians are allowed through. So super psyched. So here we are, essentially alone. We've seen like 2 other cyclists and that's the 3rd pedestrian. But we pretty much have this beautiful climb almost exclusively to ourselves. What a fantastic day. Pretty sweet ride. Very cool. How you feeling, dear?
I'm working.
She's working. She looks great. Look at that kit. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Where did you get your fantastic looking cycling kit?
The Eliel Factory Team 2023.
Eliel Factory Team 2023? Sounds like a jam.
All you have to do is have a good attitude and
Oh,
right back.
Yeah. And wave, right? You gotta wave to other cyclists. Hi. Oh no, music. Should I become a singer?
Yeah, definitely.
What do you mean? I already am one. You can't become something you already are. Yee. So we're just under like 7.5 miles up. Getting close to the top. It's about 9 to the top. Doing pretty good.
2,100 feet of climbing.
We've done 21.
2090.
So we've done.
2093.
Look at that. So like she said, just under 21 feet of climbing so far, and still looking really nice out here.
2098.
Is this the countdown or the count up?
2100.
There we go. So we're approaching that little building right there in between the trees. We'll stop there, drink a little bit of water, and turn around and head home.